This is a series of videos I'm going to make about this vehicle, the BJ74. So this is one of the finest Land Cruisers ever made by Toyota. It's got slightly longer than the short wheelbase 70 series. It's a late 80s model. Came with a 13 BT turbo diesel engine, 3.5 liter. And yeah, we're going to be restoring this thing, so making a series of videos as we go along and make this vehicle into something special. It's not going to be a stock restoration. This thing is going to be a resto mod, so it's going to get an engine upgrade, suspension upgrade. The interior is going to be redone all over, and we're going to modernize this vehicle as much as possible. So yeah, just a quick walk around to see what it's like. Yeah, over the years it's taken some good amount of rust in the corners. This color was painted about 6-7 years ago. It was a more it was also red before that, but a bright red. So yeah, let's take a look at what it's like from the inside as well. Yeah, the usual wear and tear. The dash on this vehicle was upgraded about 8-9 years ago. Put in the new 70 series dash on it, which we will retain, unless of course the owner wants to put in something even newer. Yeah, all this carpeting and everything is going to go. The seats are also from a newer 70, not the original seats that came with this vehicle. It's got its original H55 transmission, 5-speed manual. Yeah, the entire interior is going to be redone. Everything is going to be stripped down, cleaned up, restored. All the broken parts are going to be replaced. The FRP top needs a bit of work. And yeah, once we're done with this, it's going to be something totally different. All new. Suspension is going to be new. The whole undercarriage, we're going to take this vehicle off its frame and redo it completely. Let's have a look at the engine. So yeah, there you go. So this engine is going to go out. We are going to put a newer, more modern petrol engine in this. Give it some extra horsepower, some extra kick. The 13 BT wasn't a bad engine. It's a rock solid engine. Runs very cool. Doesn't give any problems. But this particular engine has a slight issue with the turbo. It's not that it doesn't work, but it's a bit erratic. Other than that, everything else is going to get replaced on this vehicle. Brakes, wheels, suspension, all the weather strippings, all the trimmings, all the electronics, everything's going to go and get replaced by OEM or high quality aftermarket stuff. So we're going to give it power windows, central locking, the works. So yeah, just thought I'd make a short video of this. Before we close off, why don't we just start it and see what the engine sounds like. This vehicle has actually been standing for a good 6-7 months. Where's the key? Oops, I lost the key. Let me find the key. There it is. Okay, let's start her up. Yeah, starts up pretty good. And there's the 13 BT. the AC. AC cools well. AC goes really well. 4x4 works, we tried it. But 4 low works, 4 high has a problem. Let's try the music system. Yeah, we're gonna upgrade all of this, put in something modern over here. Great. So see you in the next video.